What if one single-family home could produce the income of 2 or even 3 traditional rentals? As housing affordability continues to shrink, a powerful real estate strategy is quietly gaining momentum. Investors across the country are turning to co-living, not as a trend, but as a smarter way to generate cash flow in today's market. Co-living is a shared housing model where renters lease private bedrooms while sharing common spaces, such as kitchens, living rooms, and sometimes bathrooms. Instead of renting an entire home to one household, investors rent by the room, creating multiple income streams from a single property without changing the property structure. The demand for co-living is being driven by real-world housing pressures. Rents are rising faster than wages. Home ownership is increasingly out of reach. As a result, more people are looking for affordable, flexible, and community-based housing. This includes young professionals and remote workers, nurses, healthcare staff, and traveling professionals, students and career changers, active seniors who want affordability, independence, and social connection without isolation. Co-living provides a practical solution for all of these groups. From an investor standpoint, co-living changes the math. Instead of one rent payment per month, you may have 4, 5, or even 6 income sources from the same property. If one tenant moves out, the entire income doesn't disappear. This spreads risk, increases stability, and often results in 30 to 100% higher cash flow compared to traditional rentals, depending on the market. One of the biggest misconceptions is that co-living is only for large companies or luxury developments. In reality, many investors are using existing single-family homes in suburban neighborhoods. This strategy works for solo investors, first-time landlords, retirees looking for income, investors scaling one property at a time. The key is understanding the model, the local rules, and how to manage shared housing responsibly. Co-living isn't just about making more money. It's about adapting to how people actually live today. As affordability challenges continue, shared housing will only become more important. Investors who understand this model now are positioning themselves ahead of the curve, serving real housing needs while building stronger income streams. Co-living isn't just a trend, it's one of the smartest ways investors are increasing cash flow in today's market. If you want to learn how this works step by step, sign up below and get our free Co-Living Investor Toolkit. Inside, you'll find tools, checklists, and investor insights to help you evaluate properties, understand the model, and get started with confidence. Click below, join the email list, and start building smarter income with co-living.